This problem is asking us to evaluate the following. First of all, for part A, we have tangent of negative 240. I always like to put this back in terms of positive angles. So I do 360 minus that 240 and realize that's going to be equivalent to 120 degrees. So I'm really looking for the tangent of 120 degrees, which is the sine of 120 over the cosine of 120. So I know that the sine of 120 for my unit circle is equal to the y value of the triangle that matches up to it, which is root 3 over 2. And I know that my cosine of 120 is the x value, which is 1 over a half. For me, it's easiest to look at this in terms of a division problem. I'm going to copy, switch, flip. Copy, switch, flip. The 2's cancel out, so the tangent here of negative 240 degrees is the square root of 3. The only thing that we need to consider now is that we are in quadrant 2. So if all students take classes, sine is positive, which means tangent needs to be negative root 3. Moving on to part B. Part B is asking me to evaluate the sine of 7 pi over 3. I know that 6 pi over 3 is a full 360, so this is going to be similar to the sine of pi over 3 after we've gone around the circle one full time. So the sine of pi over 3 is just the y value of the circle that comes up with that, which is the square root of 3 over 2. We know we're working in quadrant 1 where everything is positive, so square root of 3 over 2. The last problem is asking us to evaluate the cosecant of negative pi over 2. Again, I like to put this in terms of something that's positive, so that's the cosecant of 3 pi over 2, which is 270 degrees. We know that cosecant is 1 over sine. Well, the sine of 3 pi over 2, according to our unit circle, is the y value, which is negative 1. And 1 over negative 1 is negative 1.